be a little bumpy just for a minute. It is currently 6:55. I'm on my way to work. This weekend I did all 12-hour shifts. Today is my last 12-hour shift. As you read by the title, this is going to be a maintenance vlog. I'm also working throughout the week, but I have scheduled my little maintenance things, you know, my hair appointment, nails appointment, etc. So you all will be coming with me on that little vlog. So there's a moth in here. It takes me about like 35 minutes to get there, so I have to leave a little early. It's a 12-hour shift day. I know I'm kind of starting off the vlog like what, but yeah. Morning, y'all. Just put my hair in some braids. I had my little tea over there. I was watching my little show. I am just chilling this morning. It's been a very calm morning. I haven't been doing much just because these past few days have been a lot just with work. I've been working pretty long hours. So I just let the sun wake me up and got up, took my shower, did my hair, just relaxing. I gotta go get Hannah soon, pick her up from school. That's my little sister, if you don't know. Pick her up from school, drop her off at work, and then I'll probably just go home. I'm really going to get my nails done and my Brazilian tomorrow after work. Here go Hannah. I'm dropping her to work. I still look a little crusty. Yeah, just a little. No, I'm saying I should have got that frosted coffee. It's not worth it. No. I want to check y'all in and say bye. I'm about to go into work today, as you can see, and yeah, so I got to get going, but I just wanted to tune y'all in, and I'm getting my nails done as well as my Brazilian after work, so I will see y'all. All right, y'all. Hello. So let me wipe my little glasses. So basically I just came from my nail appointment. Yeah, let me show y'all the nails I got. So I'm gonna put up a little picture of the inspo, and this is what I got. Some things just aren't able to be executed as, you know, as well as the original. Long story short, I'm not completely okay with the way my nails came out. If I do decide to get them changed, then obviously y'all will know, but I like to feel like a bad bitty. I'm putting it up to my face because, you know, when you like just look at yourself with them, just not giving what it's supposed to give for me. Like, you know, after you get your nails done and you know you like them, like, I don't want to have to think about if I like them or not. Like, I should just know that these things look good. And yeah, I don't know. I might be DMing her. I'm going to see. But yeah, I'm about to head on in here to this wax. Obviously, I'm not going to record that, but let me record where I'm at. This is the Divine Encounter Wax and Wellness Bar. I always come here. She's Black owned. You go up these stairs here and go in there. This is her new location. I usually get waxed by the owner, and she's so personable, super friendly. And yeah, I just love coming to a place that's Black owned, and it's very comfortable. It's very much a vibe in there. I think I'm about to have a little bit of my Chipotle though, because my appointment isn't until 6:30. So I'm gonna call and let them know I'm here, just in case there's nobody before me and I can slide in there, slide out, because I'm still in Winston, not where I live. So yeah, I'm gonna eat a little bit of Chipotle, and then I'm gonna see about going in there. All right. Ooh, I'm trying to find a place in my room to vlog because my room is a mess, so I'm definitely not showing that. Yeah, so I got my wax. That was very pleasant, very nice. I love my wax, ladies. My nails, let me tune y'all back in. So I basically just texted the girl who does my nails and told her, like, I'm just not satisfied. I'm just gonna go there on Friday at 3. I don't have anything to do on Friday, so that'll be good. I'll update y'all again on how the nails are looking. But yeah, so pretty much tonight I'm just about to shower, sleep, and relax. But she mine, I'm Stamper, priority status, so that mother matter. Late at night, kiss me in the morning, or late at night. Good morning. So I am on my way, about to go into work. It's 7:25, and yeah, after work I got my hair appointment at 4:55, so I'm really excited for that. And I also have to make some TikToks and stuff, but this is where I'm gonna be at today. But tomorrow I'm off, and I'm off until next Tuesday. So hello. I am on my way to my hair appointment. As you can see, I got my hair out now because it wasn't quite dry. I'm excited to see how this style come out. I'm excited to see how this style come out. My head isn't too big. I feel like everybody that has had this style, it has looked so cute. And I'm a cute girl, so why would it not look cute? I'm still upset about these nails. They're not doing it for me. I don't care. It's just not me. And I did want to talk about that. Like, I just wanted to talk about how, you know, if you get a service done and you're not pleased with it, please speak up for yourself. Like, I feel like everybody has their time though, because growing up, I was also very shy. Be assertive, stand up for yourself, because it's super important to do that, because at the end of the day, you just don't want to be wronged in that way. So that's why now I've built up such a tolerance to not standing up for myself. So if I don't, it's going to bother me for a long time. So I've just gotten used to standing up for myself and, you know, telling people if I don't like something, or just getting things the way I want it. Because as you grow, like, into an adult and stuff, you have to start advocating for yourself. Like, you're not gonna have anybody there to advocate for you. And I don't know if people watch me that are younger than me and can use that kind of advice, but it really can go for any age. So I just wanted to add that in there, because girl, bye. Like, y'all, so it is 4:53. I'm about to go in because my appointment's at 4:55. So yeah, I had to make a few TikToks real quick, but I did get here a little earlier. But yes ma'am, we're about to go inside. I'm excited. All right, y'all. So I was looking a little crusty before, but I am done now. And Miss Sade, right? Yes, did a beautiful job. She even did up a little edges. Yes. So would you like to introduce yourself?
Oh yeah, I'm Sade. You guys can follow me on Instagram.
Yes, I'll have it pop up.
Yeah, cool.
And yes, super fast, super clean, as you can see. Okay, so I'll tune y'all in once I'm back home. Hello there. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. It is 2:39 in the day. Today is a beautiful Friday, September 10th. I'm on my way to get my nails changed. Earlier this morning, I just woke up, showered, got ready for the day. I hit the gym just for a few minutes, and then I went to hang out with my little boo, and now I'm gonna get my nails changed. I'm gonna tune y'all in after I get my nails done. I hope this girl don't got an attitude. I'm gonna be like, look, I hate to be that client, but I wasn't feeling it. Like, I don't want to talk about it. Just let's do them again. Get me in, get me out. Updates. Here are my nails. I'm very happy with it. This is definitely more what I'm on right now. It's giving grown woman, it's giving sexy, it's giving sophisticated. All right, so let's stop right here, okay? Because these nails, I honestly had the hardest time with this girl trying to get my money back. It was absolutely ridiculous. She was super unprofessional. I honestly left her place a little bit of a smudge on my thumbs, and I just let it go because she was kind of in a rush already. And when they were finally done and she put the clear polish on top, it wasn't that bad. Even though it was still a little smudged, I wasn't going to be too picky. Right? Wrong. So after about a week, this is how my nails started to look. Unacceptable. Okay? Completely unacceptable. Okay? It was ridiculous the way that the black was peeling. She was just unprofessional in the case by where she didn't have a policy for a lot of her things. And that was very apparent, which is why I was able to get at least half of my money back. The service that she provided was very haphazard. The look of my nails after just a week, it was ridiculous. And any professional nail tech would have either redone, gave a discount, something, but she didn't even have her policy straight. So just be aware of those kinds of nail techs. But luckily I found one here in Greensboro that is super reasonable. She does the Gel X system, which is healthier for your nails. It doesn't damage them, which is great because I've wanted to stray away from acrylic. I will be posting another maintenance vlog where I go and try her out. And just to save on time for this video, just so you all know, my pedicure was done very badly as well, and it didn't come to show until after about a week. So again, I'm not gonna put this girl on blast either, but she was also very unprofessional. And it just goes to show that don't fix it if it's not broken. Okay, I'm gonna continue to get my French tip from the nail salon that I usually go to and start getting Gel X. So stay tuned for that. Saturday, September 11th. This morning I woke up. I let the sun wake me up. I woke up around like, what would I say? What time did I wake up? I think it was around like 8 a.m. I just kind of laid in the bed around like 9-ish. And then I got up and I just started cleaning. And then I had my pedicure, as you all saw, those clips. I already finished getting it. Let me tell y'all, the girl was really nice. It was a really nice vibe in there. There wasn't a lot of people. You make your appointment, you come. But if you have your own business, please take a course on etiquette. If you want people to take your business seriously, you have to take it seriously first. Like, the customer service sometimes isn't there, and it frustrates me because the services that you're getting, it's not like they cost like a little $5. So my phone gets a little hot sitting on that stand, and I don't know what it is this time with the places that I've gotten to go and get my nails done and my toes done. Girl that I get my nails done from, I booked her before and she was really good. So after this experience, I'm just not gonna go back to her because she was even kind of lazy with the redo that she did. Like, it's not bad, but she could have done better. You know what I mean? Like, she definitely could have done a better job. It's kind of like she said, okay, girl, come on back. Took it off, slapped another one back on, and sent me out the door. And it's not like I'm going in and I'm even the quiet client or like I have an attitude. Like, I'll speak and have a conversation and like really get into the conversation. And the only person that I really like love is my wax lady. Like, that's I didn't even vlog that much in there just because, like I said, I'm just so caught up in the vibe. You don't even think about that kind of thing. She's just very personable, you know, and you have to be. If you're running a business where you are providing a service to a variety of different people, you have to have some good people skills. That's not my mama. That's not my mama. A simple pedicure like this lasted from 10:40 when I got there up until now 12:30. Like, there's just no reason for that. I'm home now, feeling even more like a bad bitty. Got my nails done. I'm about to just clean up my eyebrows too, like with my eyebrow razor. But yeah, I decided not to get my lashes done just because I have falsies already. I ordered my Shein package, so hopefully that comes before next weekend when I go to Atlanta, which I'm thinking it will. I have high hopes. I'm about to go in here and clean, and then if I do something else, I'll tune y'all into that, okay? Bye. Hey y'all, good morning. So it is Sunday morning. I got my sugar wax, so I'm about to just go ahead and wax my underarms, a little bit on my belly button, as well as my calves. And yeah, then I'm just gonna start doing my makeup. So I just wanted to show the wax and how I do it. So I got this from Amazon, and you just heat it up for a few seconds. You want to do it in increments of 5. Then I get some nitro powder free gloves, and sometimes it can be frustrating, but for the most part it's easy. So I'm about to just do that and then hop in the shower and then start on my makeup. Vlog. So I'm with my little boo here. You know I'm not gonna show. Oh, you want to show me? We are on the way to the museum. I was late this morning per usual, but yes, I'm at the Starbucks, and then we're gonna be on our way. So we are at the Arts Museum now. It wasn't that bad of a drive. I'm trying to multitask and you're staring at me when I'm vlogging. Please. I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna insert some footage of some of the things that we see. It's both of our first time being here, so we just gonna see what's up with it. Just tell me you can't be crazy. our museum was fun. Yeah, it was fun. My little baby, he making me laugh. So it was just fun looking at all the different art and sculptures and stuff like that. And it's right there in Raleigh, which is close to where I'm at. So got some red crab as well as some chilies, because you cannot have seafood with nothing else. Like seafood plus the base food, with the food that's gonna fill you up. And we're just gonna chill and relax and enjoy our time. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please remember to subscribe, comment, like. And with all that being said, stay blessed. And what?
Love everybody.
No, that's not what I said. You don't know my ending, my outro? Stay blessed and stay sweet.